learners, in the starting of this chapter, we have discussed that first member of each group show the variation in the properties as compared to the rest of the group members. Now we are going to discuss the anomalous behavior of lithium, which is the first member of alkali metal group. फर्स्ट ग्रुप अल्कली मेटल ग्रुप का फर्स्ट मेंबर लिथियम अपने ग्रुप मेंबर से प्रॉपर्टीज में कैसे वेरिएशन शो करता है. नाउ दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ दिस पार्ट ऑफ एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स. द फर्स्ट anomalous behavior is that lithium is hardest with very high melting and boiling point. इसका melting and boiling point बहुत हाई होता है and it is the hardest as compared to the other group members. This is the property which you have done earlier also, that sodium can be easily cut with knife. इसका मतलब वो इतना hard नहीं होता कि हम उसे knife से ना काट सकें. But as compared to the rest group members, lithium is hard. Next is it is less reactive and doesn't tarnish. क्योंकि इसका size छोटा होता है. No doubt इसकी बाहर वाली शेल में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, but because of the small size, the influence of the nucleus on the valence electron is more, due to which the loss of electron is not that much easy and large amount of energy is to be supplied to remove that valence electron. Hence its reactivity is less as compared to the other group members. It is deliquescent and crystallizes as dihydrate. Dihydrate की फॉर्म में ये क्रिस्टलाइज होता है. नेक्स्ट इज इट्स बाइकार्बोनेट इज नॉट फॉर्म्ड. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि NaHCO3, KHCO3 बाइकार्बोनेट्स दे गेट फॉर्म्ड, लेकिन लिथियम के बाइकार्बोनेट्स नहीं बनते. नेक्स्ट इज इट फॉर्म्स मोनोऑक्साइड. दिस वी हैव डन इन द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आल्सो, दैट लिथियम व्हेन रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन व्हाट इट विल फॉर्म, लिथियम मोनोऑक्साइड. लिथियम का चार्ज क्या है? +1. ऑक्सीजन एग्जिस्ट इन -2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. So formula form will be Li2O. Li2O will get formed, but 2 oxygen atoms they are there. So this is the monoxide which is formed by lithium. Now we know that first group members they have the tendency to lose the electron and form the ion. तो इसका मतलब फर्स्ट ग्रुप के मेंबर्स आयनिक कंपाउंड बनाते हैं, but its salts have low ionic character because of its स्मॉल साइज. छोटा साइज होने की वजह से ये आयनिक के साथ साथ कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर भी शो करता है. इट रिएक्ट्स विद नाइट्रोजन टू फॉर्म नाइट्राइट. दिस अगेन वी हैव डन इन द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, दैट इट रिएक्ट्स विद नाइट्रोजन टू फॉर्म लिथियम नाइट्राइट. Li3N ये बना सकता है. तो अगर ये 3 बनाएगा तो 6 टू बैलेंस इट, 2 nitrogen they are there and 6 lithium they are there, so it will form lithium nitride. Its hydroxide carbonate nitrates on heating they give rise to lithium oxide. How is it? Lithium hydroxide LiOH on heating it will give lithium oxide along with the liberation of water. Similarly, lithium carbonate Li2CO3 on heating it will give Li2O plus CO2. Similarly, its nitrate, the formula of lithium nitrate is LiNO3. On heating it will give Li2O with the liberation of nitrogen dioxide along with the liberation of oxygen. Now to balance it, how to do the balancing? 4 nitrogen, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 4 to the 8, 9, 10 and 10 and 2, 12. So in all these the major compound is lithium oxide along with the liberation of these side products. Next, lithium hydride is more stable. This again we have discussed earlier, that lithium hydride, as we go down the group the stability of hydrides decreases because of the incompatibility in between the size of metal and hydrogen. जैसे जैसे हम नीचे जाते जाएंगे alkali metals का size बड़ा होता जाएगा, hydrogen का size छोटा होगा. Due to incompatibility in the size, the stability decreases. Lithium hydroxide is sparingly soluble in water and hence it is less basic, and this we also know that basicity decreases, basicity increases down the group. This is the topmost element, hence its basicity is less. Now this anomalous behavior of lithium as compared to the rest of its group members is, this again we have done because of its small size, high ionization energy, high electronegativity, and very important, absence of vacant d orbitals. Due to these properties, lithium show difference in the behavior as compared to its group members, and it is again due to these reasons that lithium show diagonal relationship with magnesium. This again we have done that diagonal relationship is the relationship between the elements of second period with the elements of third period present diagonally to them. So these are the reasons that lithium show relationship in the properties with magnesium. Hence we can say that the properties which are shown by lithium, they will also be shown by magnesium, and that differs it from the rest of the group members. अब इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज बाकी ग्रुप मेंबर से अलग होंगी, लेकिन डायगोनल रिलेशनशिप की वजह से लिथियम की और मैग्नीशियम भी लिथियम जैसी प्रॉपर्टीज शो करेगा. So this is all about the anomalous behavior of lithium and the reasons why lithium show anomalous behavior and how it shows the diagonal relationship with magnesium. Thank you.